Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to get Claude Code installed and running completely natively on your machine. In your Chrome browser, just search for Claude Code Docs. You will see the official docs in the results. Go ahead and click on that. As you can see here in the docs, Claude Code is an agentic coding tool that can read your codebase, edit files, run commands, and integrate directly with your development tools. So basically, it's not just giving you suggestions, it can actually work with your code and help automate parts of your workflow. Now, before we install it, let's quickly check the system requirements. And you can see the operating system requirement for Mac, Windows, and Ubuntu. So make sure your system meet these requirements. And for hardware, it should also be 4GB plus RAM. Now let's move on to the installation. Before we install Claude, we need to make sure Git is installed on your system. Just search for Git and click the first official result. From there, click download for Windows. On the download page, you will see there are different platforms available like Windows, Mac, and Linux. I will go with Windows for this demo. For Windows, we will choose the 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Once you run the installer, you can just keep clicking next to leave all the default settings. Let's wait for a while until it successfully installs. And we are successfully set up. For Mac, Linux, or WSL, you can simply copy the command provided here. For Windows, you can use either PowerShell or command prompt. I will use the PowerShell command, so let's copy this. Now let's open our Windows PowerShell. Paste the command and press enter. And now you can see the Claude is successfully installed. To verify everything is working, you can just run Claude space -- help. This brings up a cheat sheet of all the different commands and settings you can use. But to actually launch the tool, just type Claude and hit enter. Right away the interface pops up and asks you to pick a color theme. After that, you will see the login screen. You have three main options here: a standard Claude subscription, an Anthropic console account for API billing, or a third-party platform like Amazon Bedrock. We just need to select the one to finish logging in. And that's all for this video. In this video, we successfully downloaded, installed, and set up Claude on Windows, so you can start using it in your project. Thank you guys for watching this video.